Hi, this is an unboxing video and I've got June's edition of Birchbox. Now normally they come in like a tray box, but it's a tin. A gorgeous, gorgeous design tin. It's so lovely, and it's square. So really nice. I am a little bit late in receiving this. There's lots of videos and reviews out there already. So if you're still watching this because you enjoy my unboxings, thank you. And if you're new to my channel, I do a ton of unboxings, beauty reviews and travel vlogs which are coming along. So if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you were to subscribe to my channel. But back to this box. This is the June edition, and the reason why it's a tin and this design is because they're celebrating their 5th birthday. So yes, Birchbox is 5 years old. I've been subscribing on and off for the last 2 years, but I tend to dip in and have like a month or two, and then I have a break, and then I go back, and this will be my last one now until a couple of months later, maybe towards Christmas. Maybe I might have another one, but yeah, it's nice. I do like Birchboxes. I love the actual boxes themselves, but I just find that the contents, comparing to other boxes, you know, it costs £10 a month and £2.95 postage and packaging. So definitely the cheaper of the subscription boxes out there. But when you compare it to say Glossy Box and others like Look Fantastic, are all around the same price range. The contents don't really compare. Yes, you get some nice contents in here, but they tend to be super tiny samples. So, and it reminds me very much of the contents I receive in like a Feel Unique pick and mix sample service, which costs £3.95 for 5 samples. So yeah, it's you have to weigh it up. It is a subscription service. It's a chance to try new products which you might not normally try. So it is that, and it's nice having something monthly. But for me personally, I just like to dip in and out now and again. As I said, it is a monthly subscription beauty box, and you can cancel any time. Inside contains around 5 items, and inside you will receive a card as well detailing the items and give you an idea of the price and everything like that. Birchbox also have an online shop, so all the products that are featured in their boxes, you can actually go online and purchase the fuller size versions. I've got a refer a friend code. Even though I'm halting my subscription for now, you are still welcome to use my code. I won't get anything in return, but you can have £5 off your first subscription. So I'll link that down below. I'll seek out all the items that are inside this box and I'll link that down below as well. So click on the show more, that'll bring up description and it'll all be down there. So let's open it. Oh, it is really nice. I do love a tin. So that's my contents. Take out these leaflets. It's just a little leaflet to say thank you. And then it's got the information here. So on the back you've got a July sneak peek. So the July sneak peek is a Manica Dar, and it's a long wear powder, and you get to choose between Paradise or Triffica. I can't read the writing, but that's what that looks like there. That colour's gorgeous, isn't it? But yeah, I won't be receiving a July box, but if you do, that's what you will be receiving. You'll get to choose which one you want. May is our 5th anniversary here in the UK, so to celebrate we're channeling that most British of occasions, the tea party. From your special keepsake biscuit tin to the launch of the Birchbox Beauty Awards, June is all about thanking you, our wonderful Birchboxers. Now let's get this party sorted. Okay, it looks like there's 6 items in this box, and in every single box we will all get a box of tea bags. So I'll just pick them up first. Actually, this is really lovely. This is so cute. The packaging is gorgeous. It's by Whittard Of Chealsea, and it said it's time for tea. Celebrate Birchbox's 5th birthday with 3 different tea blends of Whittard Of Chealsea. There's an extra surprise inside too. 3 individually wrapped tea bags. So that's the outer packaging there. And we've got Earl Grey, Mango and Bergamot, and Lemon and Ginger. So that's what they look like there. Quite nice teas. So I quite like that. It just says, discover 3 delicious blends, which I've just shown you, and that is it really. So we've got 3 tea bags there. So the first beauty item in the box is the eyeshadow that we knew we were going to get. We had to choose a colour. So this is a little tiny eyeshadow by Ella Eden, London. That's what my colour is there. I'll open it up now. This is in shade Julia. In here it's promoted as a full size product and promoted at £12.99. But on the back it's got sample not for resale. Now someone told me about this recently and I was just thinking, well, that's not very good, is it, Birchbox? It's not very good, but it is a nice product, you know, it is small obviously, but it is just a single eyeshadow. The colour looks really lovely. I think the other shade is more like a deep brown colour, but no, I do like it. I do really like it. They're very pale. I'm not sure if you can see there. Very pale colour, quite shimmery, and maybe you can see better if I hold it up like that. So a really nice colour, really nice. But yeah, it says sample not for resale on the back. But so it says Ella Eden, recommended retail price is £12.99 and it's a full size item, but it's a sample, so it's not for resale. So I suppose this might be the full size, but you can't really pass it off as something you've paid for because you can't buy it. I know what I mean, I know what I mean. Right, mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines intense colour payoff with long lasting wear. Apply with a wet brush if you want to make a bold statement. So I do like it and I am glad I've got this colour. So yeah, regardless of whether it's a sample or not, it's fine. I quite like that product. So the next item is a Polar and it's a 30 SPF face and body velvetly sun fluid. So that's what that looks like there. So that's quite a nice decent size to pop in your handbag, and it is 20 mils. I'm a bit particular with my SPF. I don't wear under 30 to 50. Oh, it's nice, not too thick, and it absorbs into my skin really nicely as well. Yeah, quite a nice smell, quite a nice subtle smell. Yeah, it's quite nice. I think that would be really nice just to put in my bag. So the recommended retail price for this is £25, and that's for the full size version. This is a sample. And it said the best kind of sunscreen is the one that doesn't leave white residue behind. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Just be sure to top it up throughout the day. Yeah, no, it does feel really nice. And yeah, it's gone in my skin. So I do like that. But I might give it to my daughter maybe. That'd be handy to put in her school bag. Right, next item. I've had this before in a Birchbox. I don't know when, maybe a year ago, I can't remember, but it's Jeu d'Automne Soothing Balm, and it's 30 ml. It's a hair care soothing balm, so maybe you can read the name there and understand what I just said. I have had this before. I can't remember what it was like, but yeah, I always like products like this, to be honest. I'm always on the lookout for something for my hair, especially if I wear it down. I like just to rub the ends in like a smoothing balm. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells like a man's aftershave, but a really nice one. Why am I distorting my arm like this? I'll just do the... No, it's quite nice. So this is a sample, and the recommended retail price for the full size is £24.50. Number 4, Balm. Whatever your hair type, this hard-working formula minimises frizz, restores softness and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair, then style as normal. And it's been awarded 4 stars on the Birchbox website. So no, quite happy to try that again. And then the next item is Benefit, and it's the Pore Professional, and it's a pearl primer. Now I have tried this in my Feel Unique samples a little while ago, and I didn't think much of it, to be honest. It targets pores and dullness. The soft radiance primer instantly minimises the look of pores, locks on makeup, and helps skin look bright, boosted and awake. In all honesty, I found it made my pores stand out a heck of a lot more. I don't understand how it wouldn't, because it's an illuminator. It's got little pearly particles in it, and you add that onto your imperfections on your face and that's going to highlight it. It feels nice. It's very, very similar to the Pore Professional, which I like, but it's got like a slight shimmer to it. Like, yeah, just very, very subtle. You can't really see it. But yeah, like a pearl essence there, that's what that looks like there. But I just didn't find it work well on my skin. I just found that my pores just stood out a bit more. Maybe I didn't do it enough times to give me a proper sort of view about it. But no, okay, so that is obviously a sample size, and the recommended retail price for the full size is £27.50. This fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as the original Pore Professional, with an added dose of pink pigment for brightness. Just smooth it all over the face and layer up to add radiance. Yeah, so the idea behind it is great. It sounds really, really lovely, but yeah, I don't know. I'll have to try it again. So the last item is another sample, and this is a Pro Blow Mask Me, and it's add moisture and strength with satin finish. Now, I don't like sachets like this. Yeah, it's good to try things, but I don't know. It is classed as one of your 5 beauty products. I got a thing about it. I don't like it. If I wanted sachets, I would just stick to my Feel Unique samples for £3.99 a month, which, you know, you can, and you sometimes get more than this as well. But what is it? What is it? It's a hydrating hair mask, and it transforms lifeless damaged hair, hydrating for frizz-free, salon-worthy hair. So that's what that looks like there. So there's enough there for one application, which is fine, enough to try it. It's 8 mils. So recommended retail price for a pack of 4 of these is £8. Forget the hairdressers, you can achieve salon standard results at home. Apply this nourishing mask to freshly shampooed hair, leave for 10 minutes, then rinse away to reveal strong, super shiny strands. So that was all my products, so I'll just gather them all together. So there, so you have got the 5 beauty items, and then everyone had, is it upside down? No, and everyone had a selection of tea bags there to coincide with the birthday tin. So putting the tea bags down. So although this eyeshadow looks like a full-size eyeshadow, it says sample and not for resale on the back, so I can't put a price towards it. It's not worth £12.95 like it states, because you can't put a price towards it. So everything else is samples. This is a teeny tiny sample. The Benefit is a teeny tiny sample. This is a good size sample. I like that, and that's a nice size sample as well. So I think of all the products, I am excited to try this eyeshadow, and I think this hair balm. I think the products aren't too bad. They are quite nice. I'm going to give that Poor Professional another go, but yeah, not too bad, not too bad, but I think it could be a lot better. Could be. But then the tin is gorgeous, isn't it? It is so pretty. Yeah, I can't complain. Can't complain. What did you think of this month's box? I thought it was okay, but it is going to be my last box for the next couple of months anyway. I just think there's just better boxes out there for your value, really, for your money. I know £13 compared to a lot of other boxes out there is not an expensive box, but you want to feel like you are getting your value for money, and when you compare it to other things, that's when, yeah, that's when you start realising, or when I start realising that, yeah, maybe it's time to just move on now. So yeah, so I enjoy getting the boxes, but not regularly. So what are your thoughts? Do you share the same sort of opinion as me, or do you absolutely adore this box? I'd love to know, as always. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.